Okay, it's been raining for a few hours. You can see the water gushing by. Well, what it looks here, oh well, we've got a root ball right there, so 3/4 of the pipe. We've got a separation too, so it's concrete. Just roots. I'm not going to call it separation until that gets blasted out of there or cut. But that's as far as this ends. This is the parking strip. And what it looks here is somebody put in this white pipe, PVC schedule 44-inch that we're in, underneath the sidewalk to the edge of the sidewalk, and then where they stopped, which happens right there, is where it stops, and then we've got a problem in the parking strip. So I was expecting to see our other line from the other side of the house for the downspouts, the old 3-inch concrete, tied it into this because I've got a cable in it right now, but it's not there. I've gone through quite a few roots, so that line is actually flowing somewhere. But a lot of times when dudes do this, they'll just cut the other side of the house off because it didn't look like it was installed because they ran a PVC line, like a French drain on the other side of the house. Anyway, there's nothing to look at here. We just need to get back to the clean out we're using at the front of the house.